Hi everyone, Jackie Mirkopoulos, one of your co-founders at Evolve Holistic, here with Dain Wallis from Move Daily, and today we're going to talk about food, all of the food for our upcoming retreat. First of all, when thinking about mindful food choices, I'm going to be preparing all the food and I'm going to make sure that everything is fresh and that it's local and very health conscious and well-rounded. All of your macronutrients and micronutrients and everything's going to be tasting so good.
And it starts there, and then once we have that food in front of us, we're going to be thinking about why are we making the choices we are? Why are we taking how much? And then we're going to think about chewing the food and how the food tastes and how the food digests and how it gives us long-lasting energy through the day or does not. And most importantly, how you're going to take that habit of mindful eating with you home after the retreat.